Ooh, super fresh as always, guys. And today we are talking about a Civivi knife. Let's get it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Everyday Minimalist. My name is Brandon, and today we are looking at the Civivi Ferrum Forge Odium. This thing has been an absolute pleasure to carry. I've had it for a few days now, and I think I'm ready to give you guys my impressions. We got this via the Apex Pass Around group, so I want to let the guys know in there. Thank you so much for all the warm welcomes, and I'm happy to be a part of it. Now, before we get into this knife, if you guys are new here to the channel and enjoy knife and EDC content, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell icon so you know when that next video is live. I post 1 to 2 videos a week, so if you guys want some sweet content, just feel free to join in. Let's go ahead and get right into it. This is the pouch that the Odium comes in, and it has Civivi branding there and then their website on the back. This is an extra that's included with most of the Civivi knives out there, and I just really enjoy the fact that companies will pay attention to those small details and include some freebies in that sense. Opening up the pouch, you'll be getting a manual with the warranty information. The next thing you'll see is this nice microfiber cloth with the Civivi branding on there. I have like 6 of those, and I keep them around the house so the girlfriend can use them or I can use them. Here is the knife, guys. This thing is all blacked out, and I absolutely love it. It's got the black G10 scales, the black stonewash finish on the blade, and it just looks murdered out. Even the pocket clip is black. While we have it opened up, let's give you guys some quick specs. The overall length, you're looking at 6.19 inches. The blade length, you're looking at 2.65 inches. The close length, you're looking at 3.5 inches, so it's relatively small, and it only weighs about 2.5 ounces. Now, in terms of the blade, you're looking at a drop point style blade with a flat grind, and again, it's got that black stonewash finish and a D2 steel material. So D2 steel, guys, is a fantastic budget grade steel. In that $50 price point, like, you can't really beat that. Moving on to the handles, you will get this nice stainless steel blacked out pocket clip that is going to be reversible, so this is an ambidextrous knife. The G10 on this Odium is actually really smooth. It's a little bit different than any of the other Civivi knives I've got. My Shredder as well as my Mini Bullmastiff, they have more of a gritty texture instead of smooth, so I really do enjoy that with this knife. In terms of deployment, you've got this little flipper tab here, and it is going to be bearing operated. The D10 is pretty smooth, and I don't have anything bad to say about that. In terms of ergonomics, I feel like you can only use this in one position if you do wear a large glove size. So it does have a finger choil up here, and that's how you're gonna fit your entire hand around the knife. Now, if you carry it in this type of format, you know, my pinky finger is kind of falling off, so it's a little bit more uncomfortable, but you could make it work. I just found that putting my index finger inside that choil, it just made it so you can really choke up and get that fine detailed work. This is going to be a liner lock knife. Now that we've got all the specifications put away, let's talk about the positive and negative experiences I've had with this knife, starting with the negatives. The pocket clip, in my opinion, was very, very stiff, so it was kind of hard to get it into my pocket in the first place. Of course, time will tell with that. It'll probably loosen up and then it'd be really easy in the future, but my first impression on that is it's just stiff and it could be loosened up. The next thing would be is the liner lock. So the liner lock is actually super stiff as well, and then I found myself kind of feeling a little bit more uncomfortable unlocking it than some of my other Civivi knives. But again, guys, this is going to be something that's probably going to wear in over time. So on to the positives with this knife. It is super fidget friendly. It's so small to the point where you can carry it into the office and have no problems, and you can fidget with it all day long. Again, this is going to be operated off of bearings, so it's just super smooth and it feels great in the hand. One thing that we did miss is the blade centering. This thing is dab smack center. It's not veering to the left or right. And then as far as blade play goes, there is virtually none. Besides that, guys, fit and finish, it looks great. This is going to be a mini knife. If you want something from Ferrum Forge and you're on a budget, I think this will be a perfect knife for you. In terms of value, you can't really beat it. I mean, it's $52. You've got all these awesome materials like G10, D2 steel. It's ball bearing operated, and I can't stop suggesting Civivi. They are just a fantastic brand. hand. So my conclusion with this knife, guys, is going to be great. If you're looking for a compact knife around that $50 to $60 range, this is going to be a really good one. It's gonna be great for opening up packages, having this inside the nightstand, whatever it may be. Go grab it. Again, I will leave a link in the description below so you guys can go ahead and pick it up. Besides that, guys, I've taken up too much of your time. Thank you so much for dropping by, and then we will catch you on the next one. Peace out.